sao tua lasi maya oi hani ola ngona na le alofa ya o etu mapea ilo
I would like to dedicate this song to anyone who has lost somebody close to them, whether it was a family member or a close friend. I feel your pain, I know it's hard, but to all my loved ones who have passed on, I want y'all to know you will forever be in my heart till my dying day.
The memories of a lifetime together are more precious than many diamonds or pearls. The times we've had to share together ain't worth having all the money in the world. But now you're gone, but your presence will be a memory forevermore. And that's when I'm near you, and that's how I know it's so hard facing life with the loss of someone you love. The feeling of the pain is unbearable. It hurts so deeply within your heart and soul. How can I face another day with the thought of knowing you're not around? family will never forget what a blessing you've been to. A song is heard. The time has come to go on your journey, for you to live your life in a better world, in a place where the trials of life will worry you no more. And that's when I realize and try to let go. It's so hard facing life with the loss of someone you love. The feeling of the pain is unbearable. It hurts so deeply within your heart and soul. How can I face another day with the thought of knowing you're not around? In my heart is where your love will be found till my dying day. my heart, stay in my mind for all of time. Bridges burn, but I've seen the worst, and I'm sure I'll be alright. I'm doing just fine, only for a time. Where do I go from here? No, I'm lonely, but have no fear, 'cause I'll be seeing you, seeing you wherever I go, and I'll be with you, be with you wherever I go. Gone, but your love is all I have left. I'll stand tall, stay in my arms, will stay in the dark, 'cause you look for me. Maybe I'm bound to break out, wanting more. I can't resist the thought of you lingers on me now. Heaven knows, no tears, but if only you were here. But I'll be seeing you, seeing you wherever I go. I'll be with you, be with you wherever I go. Cause I'll be seeing you, seeing you wherever I go, and I'll be with you, be with you wherever I go.
Tell me, what does it look like in heaven? Is it peaceful? Is it free like they say? Does the sun shine bright forever? Have your fears and your pain gone away? dancing in the sky. I hope you're singing in the angels' choir. And I hope the angels know what they have. I'll bet it's so nice up in heaven since you arrived. So tell me, what do you do up in heaven? All your days filled with love and light. Is there music? Is there art and invention? Tell me, are you happy? Are you more alive? 'Cause here on earth it feels like everything good is missing since you left. And here on earth everything's different. There's an emptiness. Oh, I hope you're dancing in the sky. And I hope you're singing in the angels' choir. And I hope the angels know.
Never thought I'd see the day that the Lord called you to be there by His side. I can't remember a day when you weren't around. You were always there. I still hear your voice in my head, hear you laughing, see you smiling in my mind. And if I had the chance again, I would tell you that I love you one last time. And yet I still can't believe that you're gone, that you're gone. Oh, we cry, we cry,
been traveling these wide roads for so long. My heart's been far from you, 10,000 miles gone. Oh, I wanna come near and give you every part of me, but there's blood on my hands and my lips are unclean. In the darkness I remember me clean. And I said, take me to the river. I wanna go. Take me to the river. I wanna know. Dip me in your smooth water, and I'll go in.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, brother Dima. Happy birthday to you. Manuel was a father. Manuel was a father. Manuel was a father. Manuel was a father.
As a woman with many crimes, come up for air as my sin flows down the Jordan. Oh, I wanna come near and give you every part of me, but there's blood on my hands and my lips aren't clean. So please take me to the river. I wanna go. Yes, I do. Take me to the river. Take me to your river. I wanna know. I wanna know. I wanna know. Please, Lord, take me to the river. I wanna go. Ooh, take my hand. Take me to the river. I wanna know about you. I wanna know all about you. So take me to the river. I wanna know. Ooh, Jesus, take me to the river. I wanna go. Ooh, take me to the river. I wanna go.
If God called me to visit His paradise in heaven, I know all of you He has about is going to be with me, and I'm gone. I can tell by now it's just a birthday and everybody came. So now I know when I die, excuse me, when I die, I know everybody's going to come. So that's the main thing. I'm so happy. I'm happy. If I go to see our Maker, I'm ready for it. Because I'm being blessed down here.